Hey there, everybody. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a damaged bell on your motor. If you replace your bell on the motor, it's because it's got damaged or something, it got bent. But these motors, the bells are pretty easy to replace. A lot of times you could bend the shaft, or you could bend the side of it, and cause your motor to twitch or jerk. These motor hubs are pretty cut and dry. There's magnets that go all the way around the side of the motor, and then there's magnets that are inside here that are wrapped around with copper. Anyways, it snaps on like that. Then once you snap it on like that, you put the screw in the bottom. Also have, let me show you guys, there's this tiny washer. Very tiny washer, if you guys can see. But this washer is going to go right around your screw here. I like to put it on like that. Put your washer on. Put your washer on the screw. And I used my drivers. I magnetize them so it kind of holds the screw a little better. So once you get your motor set on the hub, then you just put your screw in there. You want to dab a Loctite on there. Alright, why ain't you going on? Okay, it's not going on because that's not the right motor. It's this one. Isn't it? It's not the right motor. Oh shit, did I just use my washer? I sure did. I just lost my frickin' washer, man. Darn it. That's the worst thing about this hobby. It's like when you lose a little screw or something. That's it. That's all she wrote. You go carpet diving for that thing, you're never going to find it. And so that one screw you screw on right there, the bottom of the motor, screw it on tight. And that's it. That's all she wrote. And that's how you replace a hub, my friends. Now, I've learned from experience that if you put the wrong hub on your motor, it will definitely mess your quad up. Alright, so for instance, this is a iFlight 1800 kV motor. It's a 2207 Xene motor. And so the motors on this is a 2208 Xene motor, 1800 kV. So the